Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can recover your Starlink account. It's going to be extremely simple. Basically, we could recover our account using something like your mobile phone number or your email address. So either way, it's going to work the same, where you will get the OTP, enter the OTP that you have received, and from there you should be good to go. You will be able to reset your password and log in onto your account. So head over to your browser and type the Starlink account recovery. I believe it's also going to be an option on the application. On the login section, click forgot password and you should be good to go. But let's navigate through the web version right here. So click forgot password. And then in here, this is the thing that I've mentioned previously. You have the ability to enter your email, or if you have registered using your phone, it's going to be an option also. So just simply enter your phone number or your email. You will receive the OTP, enter the one-time password, reset your password, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.